Hi, welcome to this video from MathsBox. Okay, so it's 20 questions and it's aimed predominantly for the foundation tier, okay, for AQA, EDEXCEL, OCR, and all other international examples, okay, for the foundation tier. But some of these questions may be appropriate for the higher tier as well. So I would say if you're doing higher tier, feel free to obviously tune in still, because some of these questions may be relevant to answering some of like the easier questions, okay, on like the higher tier paper basically. This is question number 1. What is the ninth multiple of 15? So ninth multiple means 15 times 9. Okay, well 15 times 10 is 150. Take away 15 from 150 and I get 135. Okay. So multiple just means the times tables of this number. So it's 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, and then 135. Okay, this is question number 2. List the factors of 49. So factors are numbers that go into 49. So 1 is a factor, okay, 7 is a factor, okay, and 49 is a factor, okay, because 7 times 7 is 49 and 1 times 49 is 49. Okay, this is question number 3. We are adding decimals, so putting everything under the correct, okay, place value, okay, when I answer these questions. So make sure that everything's under the correct place value, okay. 5 add 2 is 7. Put my decimal point there. Okay, 6 add 5 is 11. Carry this 1. Okay, this extra 1. 7 add 2 is 9. Add this extra 1 is 10. So my answer is 101.7. Okay, what I'm going to do is just delete that 1 there so we're not getting ourselves like mixed up with when we're looking at question 7. But that 1 there is just carrying that extra 1, okay, so it's exchanged. So what I'll do is I'll put the 1 here. Okay, question 4, again we are adding decimals, okay, so 5.56, okay, plus 3.29, okay, so adding decimals. Okay, so this is fantastic revision, guys, for you to have a go at as well. Okay, 6 plus 9 is 15. 5 carry the 1. 5 plus 2 is 7. Add that extra 1 is 8. Put decimal point there. 5 add 3 is 8. So it's 8.85. Okay. This is question number 5, guys. We are looking at directed number here. Work out 10 plus minus 5. Well, the plus and minus go to a minus. So it's 10 subtract 5. And I get 5, okay? So remember that a positive and a negative, okay, it changes the sign to a negative, okay, if we're adding or subtracting, okay, for this question. Question number 6, work out minus 8 plus 6, I get negative 2, okay. This is question number 7, 29 times 34. Well, I'm going to try and use the lattice method, okay, to work this out because I find it quite useful. So I'm going to put like a box here. Okay, split this box into quarters. Okay, and then I'm going to draw like a line down here, a diagonal there, and a diagonal there. 9 times 3 is 27, so let's just change the colour here. So 27. 9 times 4 is 36. Okay. 2 times 3 is 6, so I'm going to put 0, 10s, and 6 units. Okay, and 2 times 4 is 8, so 0, carry the 8 there. Okay, if I add my numbers diagonally, so sorry if it isn't very legible, okay, I've got a 6 at the end, okay, 7 plus 3 is 10, plus the 8 is 18, there's going to be 18 there, carry this 1, okay, 2 plus 6 is 8, plus that 1 is 9, okay, and then I've got 0 here in the thousand column, so my answer is 986. Okay, so this is what I call the Chinese lattice method. So I've started using it a bit more, and I find it fantastic to use for multiplying numbers. But of course, you are welcome to use the traditional ways or way of multiplying numbers together, okay, via the column method or via any other appropriate method. Okay, question number 8, work out 40 times 30. Well, 4 times 3 is 12, and then adding on those two zeros, I get 1200. Okay, this is question number 9, guys. Work out 12 times 0.4. Well, 12 times 4 is 48. So divide that by 10 and I get 4.8. Okay, because if I ignore the decimal point there, 12 times 4 gives me 48. But I'm times it by 0.4, so the answer needs to be 10 times smaller. Okay, so it's 4.8. Okay, question 10. Okay, work out 5 times 0.4. Again, a similar method here. 5 times 4 is 20, but I'm times by 0.4. So I'm going to divide 20 by 10, and I get 2. Okay, this is question number 11, guys. Work out 4 times 4 plus 3. Well, using BIDMAS, I'm going to do the multiplication first. So 4 4s are 16. 16 plus the 3, I get 19. Okay, so 16 plus the 3, guys, I get 19. Okay, this is question number 12, guys. Work out 11 times bracket 4 plus 3. Well, again, using BIDMAS, doing the bit in the bracket first. Okay, 4 plus 3 is 7. So 11 multiplied by 7 is equal to 77. Okay, using BIDMAS, okay, or BODMAS. This is question number 13, so we are simplifying expressions here, so collecting like terms. Simplify 10a plus 3b minus 8a minus 4b. Well, collecting the a's together, 10a take away 8a is 2a, and 3b take away the 4b is negative 1b, or just negative b. Okay, but the examiners will allow you to put a minus 1b there, that's fine. Okay, minus b plus 2a is also another way of writing this answer. Okay, so examiners will also allow that, okay, for this question. They are the same convention. Okay, so both equal to each other. Okay, or both the same. This is question number 14. Again, simplifying like terms. Simplify 6a plus 2b plus 5a minus 6b. Well, 6a plus the 5a is 11a. 2b subtract 6b is negative 4b. So it's 11a subtract 4b, or again, negative 4b plus 11a. Okay, examiners will accept both conventions. Okay. Question number 15, guys. Solve this two-step equation. Well, if I subtract 3 on both sides, okay, because I'm trying to get x on its own, I get 13x is equal to negative 13. Dividing both sides by 13, because 13x means 13 times x, or x times 13. So dividing both sides by 13, I get x is equal to negative 1, or x equals minus 1. This is question number 16, guys. Solving this equation. Well, if I add 4 to both sides of my equation, okay, to balance it, I get 9x is equal to 27. Dividing both sides by 9, I get that x is equal to 3. Okay. Dividing both sides by 9, okay, because 9x means 9 times x, okay. Question number 17, guys. Okay, find the median of these numbers. Well, the median is the middle number when I put the data from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Okay, either way round. Okay, so smallest to largest, we're going to have 9, 10, 15, 19, and 25. Okay, and maybe you can see visibly, okay, that the middle number in this data, okay, is 15. But we'll just prove that just to make it clear that if I cross off one from here, I cross off one from this side, cross off one from here, cross off one from here. So I'm left with the middle number of 15. This is question number 18, guys. Find the median, okay, of these pieces of data. Again, putting it from smallest to biggest. 13, 13, 18, 21, 24. Okay, we can clearly see visibly that 18 is the one that's bang in the middle, okay, because I've got 2 either side here. Okay, but if you're ever unsure, what you do is you would cross off these on each side respectively, okay, until you can't go any further. If you are left with, however, 2 numbers at the end, then you would add the 2 numbers and then half it, okay? Median is always what we call like the midpoint, okay? So it's the middle number out of your piece of data. So if it's 2 numbers that you are left with at the end, you would add the 2 numbers and then half it, okay? This is question number 19. Calculate the perimeter of a square with length 11. Well, perimeter is the distance around the square. Square has 4 sides, so I'm going to do 11 times 4. Okay, because each side has the same length. 11 fours are 44. And the units for perimeter are just centimeters, okay? This is question number 20, guys, last one for today's video. Okay, calculate the area of a rectangle with height of 14 and the length of 9. Well, again, length times width or length times height. Okay, 14 times 9. Okay, well, 14 times 10 is 140. Take off 14 and I get 126. Remembering our units for area is units squared, so it's centimeters squared. Okay, and that's our answer for question 20. Right, guys, that's the end of today's revision tutorial. So I hope you found this revision session useful for the foundation tier maths. Okay, this is perfect revision for the upcoming summer exams in summer 2022 and even exams later in the year. Okay, but this is perfect revision. Okay, if you do have any questions about any particular question, then put it in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching and making it till the end. Okay, if you did find this useful, then I'd really appreciate it if you could press the subscribe button, drop the video a like, and also click that bell icon, okay, so you don't miss out on further videos and further uploads. Okay, but that's it from me today, guys. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye bye for now.